Lakefront home in Silver Palms. Great 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home with 1-car garage. Downstairs has a light and bright open floor plan. Large kitchen with granite countertops and breakfast bar. Ample family room overlooks lake and fenced-in backyard. All tile flooring downstairs. Nice covered patio. All 3 bedrooms are good-sized rooms and are located upstairs with the master overlooking the lake. Master bedroom has large walk-in closet. Washer and dryer are located upstairs as well. Neutral carpeting upstairs. Some of the resort-like amenities are: amazing clubhouse with an Olympic-size pool, barbecue area, full gym, sauna, daycare area, basketball courts, hot tub, kids zone playground, patrolling security, etc.